Hello everyone, this is day 4 in Dubai. Welcome back to my channel and आज हम थोड़े बहुत इंटरव्यूज़ कर रहे हैं. You all know who Chai with Ahmed is, जिसको मैं अहमद बुलाती हूँ. We'll be meeting him in some time. Then I have to step out to buy some things क्योंकि मुझे वापस एक छोटी सी लिस्ट मिली है कि ये ले आना, ये ले आना, ये ले आना. So I have to go buy things for my friends. After that we are gonna pack our stuff. In fact हम थोड़ी बहुत packing पहले करके जाएंगे because I am flying back to Mumbai tonight and I don't want to. वो last minute packing ना कभी कभी नहीं होती है and I am somebody who really likes to pack my stuff in a very organized way. So yes, we are gonna do some of the packing, 50% of the packing pehle and 50% of the packing after I come back. Other than that, there's nothing on to-do list today. I might go see Raza again because it's his daughter's birthday today and अगर मुझे time मिला तो इंशाल्लाह मैं जाके उनको hi बोल कर आऊँगी. So that is day 4 for you people in Dubai and I shall take you through the entire process. Thank you, Tushar, for my black coffee for the day. My YouTube subscribers about Chai with Ahmed. This is
it's
Ahmed.
me.
Yeah.
How are you?
Who's Ahmed?
I didn't put mask.
But that's
No,
okay.
There is no safety.
No, it is. You did your sanitization. You got your temperature checked.
I have COVID last week. No.
Seriously, just
No.
no.
No, I'm joking. Oh my, they were not
Just
coming
kidding.
here. No, you're happy.
Just kidding, not worry.
Look at my expressions. Like it is. Hey,
This is a
Emma,
very
if you,
valuable-
I am telling you, you are the one who's gonna get in trouble if this comes onto YouTube, huh?
True, don't do that. You
Yeah.
remember last week I think somebody
It
actually
was
gave some kind of
between
false
us, why you
news.
say it?
How is it between us? It's all here. It's all
Close the
here.
camera, man. Close the camera. I will complain on you.
I'm gonna do the same thing once you switch on your camera.
No, but honestly, Daisy is one of the most beautiful person, and she is such a humble person.
But you know, I have to tell you one thing, Ahmad. You have lost weight and you're looking good.
Wallah.
Yeah.
And it's but there is one thing that is very different. That giving time, valuable time before leaving to meet someone.
Yes.
This is
I am leaving
not
tonight,
everyone.
guys. This is my 4th day in Dubai and I'm leaving tonight. So.
Unfortunately, you're leaving tonight.
Why unfortunately?
You have to stay more, na?
No.
Why no?
Why do I have to stay more? I'm done with my work now.
It's only work related. See?
Of course.
No friends, no need to tell you only all of them.
This Netflix now
Yeah, I know.
taking over my sleep.
Or rather that funny show.
Yeah. Where do we go?
We have to go this side, na? Because there's the aquarium is there.
Yeah, but we need to go for Nike first. Then last we'll buy that. We are at Papa Roti, the famous Papa Roti. Getting this chai.
Thank you.
हम लोग अंदर क्यों बैठे थे? हम अंदर क्यों बैठे थे? हम अंदर क्यों बैठे थे?
कॉफी पीने
यहाँ पे था ना.
और ये होगा क्या है क्या?
Anyway,
बैठ जाते.
no, we have to go where now? Near the fountain. No, the aquarium.
Aquarium is on the left.
Finally, I'm going to Garrett's to buy popcorn. This is 36 and it's more comfortable. 37 is like this. It's cramped.
हो गया
Finally, we are here
इसी ऐसे फॉगी फॉगी क्यों लग रहा है
because it was very cold in the car.
एंड वी आर एट द हाउस
Unboxing of my Rakhi gift. Ta-da! Wait, it has this.
read it loud so like everyone
So
Show
sweet
me,
this
show you.
is.
yeah
Are you serious? These people. And
how cute
and it's a pouch bag. You can wear it as a
Oh
belt
my
also.
god, it is so pretty. मैं आज गुची के नहीं कल मैं गई थी गुची के स्टोर में ढूंढने के लिए
And basically, you can make it into a belt, or you can use it as a sling. And it's there.
Only Raza can look for such pieces. Thank you.
So really pretty bag.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
Very pretty.
What I want to say is that I am all ready, all set to go to the airport. I'm on my way back to Mumbai now. Super excited क्योंकि अभी डाइट भी चालू हो जाएगी, वर्कआउट्स भी प्रॉपरली शुरू हो जाएंगे. अदर देन दैट आई वांटेड टू से कि अगर मुझे इसके बाद कुछ अच्छा शूट करने का मौका मिला तो मैं डेफिनेटली वो मोमेंट को कैप्चर करूँगी क्योंकि तुषार है नहीं अभी मेरे साथ. आई एम ऑल बाय माई सेल्फ एंड आई डोंट हैव एनीबडी टू होल्ड द कैमरा फॉर मी. And I have irritated Tushar so much. And Tushar, you want to tell them how organized freak I am?
by the way she's just being very sweet she's not troubled me anything like that but yeah she is a little OCD freak that way I think we all are in a way which is good for us actually for our betterment so
No, I mean मैं थोड़ा बहुत चिल्ला देती हूँ and then I feel bad about myself that why did I do that but that's how I am. Changes is something that I can't deal with very easily but I will try. I shall try. Other than that एयरपोर्ट पे अगर कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग शूट करने मिला तो मैं शूट करूँगी अगर नहीं तो हम हमारी दुबई की जो सीरीज़ है वो यहीं पे ख़त्म करेंगे. ऑन दैट नोट आई होप यू गाइज हैव एन्जॉयड द एंटायर दुबई सीरीज़. मैं यही कोशिश करूँगी कि मैं जितना इंटरेस्टिंग व्लॉग्स बना सकूँ मैं उतनी इंटरेस्टिंग बनाऊँ ताकि आप लोग को एंटरटेन कर सकूँ. एंड प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल दैट इज़ डेजी शाह. एंड मैंने मेरे ही नाम पे फंबल कर दिया. सुपर्ब डेजी, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. बट या थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग द व्लॉग एंड अंटिल नेक्स्ट टाइम please take care and stay safe. Goodbye.
So Daisy has finally brought in her bags and stuff
I am going home.
and she's super excited to go back home.
I am. I'm very excited to go back home.
That's a beautiful. Yeah, Etihad
We
stuff.
don't need this. We need this. Read
Okay,
it.
sure.
Bye. Bye. Thank you. I'm gonna miss you, Daisy, but I'll have to at least say bye to
Tushar, we
you.
are meeting in like 5 days. Shut
No,
up.
I
Stop
think
being
it's. I've
dramatic.
got used to it, Daisy.
You're being
For 4
dramatic.
days. Bye.
days only.
Yalla, khalas.
Yalla,
Go.
khalas, khalas,
Khalas, khalas.
khalas. Now go now.
Yeah, quick.